Welcome to the Ninja Media Script. My name is Tony Lee and I'm the original creator of this script, and I'm going to take a few moments and just kind of walk you through how to set it up and how to customize it. So right now I'm on my local machine and I have a folder called Ninja Media Script inside of my sites directory. And what you'll want to do is when the zip file that you download, you'll want to unzip it and you will want to upload the files inside of this folder to the root of your website. So right now I have pointed on my local machine ninja-media-script.com to point to this folder, and I'm just using a version of MAMP that you can download. You can also use XAMPP if you are using Windows, or you can upload it to your server, your hosting site. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in ninja-media-script.com, which is the root of my domain, and I will want to go to /install. So this will be the first thing you do after you've uploaded the files. And you'll want to enter in your admin info. And then we'll want to enter in our database info. So if you haven't created a new database yet, then you'll need to go into your PHPMyAdmin or whichever kind of SQL interface you're using, and you'll need to add a new database. If you've installed a version of WordPress, you should be pretty familiar with this process. So I'm just going to call this database Ninja. And after I've done that, then I'm going to go back in here and fill in my database info, localhost, Ninja, and root. And you can select to add the pre-installed media, which there's close to somewhere around 50 to probably around 50 images that are already pre-installed. You can choose to add those if you'd like, or you can select that off. I'm just going to leave it checked, and I'm going to click install. And it will show you every single step of the way of connecting to the database, adding the database tables, and then adding your admin login info. So then you'll click here to view your site, and you can see that the site loads up very similar to the demo site. So what you'll want to do is go to your name, your new admin login up here on the top right, and you'll want to click on the admin. And inside of the admin functionality, this is where you can inactivate media or delete media or edit media. Same with comments, users, categories, and settings, and even your custom code. So right now what I'm going to dive into is the settings. And this is going to be where you can change your website name, you can change your website description, you can upload your own custom logo. You can then choose the favicon that you would like. You can change the primary color. Right now you can see the primary color is kind of like a reddish, like a dark red color. The secondary color, which will be links and a few other buttons within the website. And you can choose even the like icon. So we could say that maybe we wanted it to be a star in here, and we could choose like a different color scheme, so we could make that like a dark color scheme. In here we'll want to put in our Facebook app key and Facebook secret, our Google OAuth like key and secret key, so users can sign up with their Google or Facebook if they would like to. You can then choose to auto approve posts if you want to allow users to be able to submit data and then it already approved, or you can go into the back end and then you would have to approve it that way. You'll also want to enter in some of your social network stuff like your Twitter username, your Facebook page ID, and a couple other, your Google Plus ID. And then here you can add a sidebar advertisement that will go over here on the right. So I'm just going to update those settings. And then you can see here we have kind of the dark looking header, and a few other elements of the website is a little bit different. And what is really cool is you can also go into your admin and you can click on custom code, and you can actually add your own custom CSS. So if there's some kind of style that you wanted to change, you can actually customize it as much as you would like. So I'm just going to go back into the admin and then back into the settings, and I'll just change that back to light. Maybe I'll give the color kind of like a blue, and I'll click update settings. So you can see that the color scheme on the site, if that's what your logo is kind of like, you may want to have a blue color scheme. You can see that instead of it being a thumbs up, you could change it to a smiley face or a heart, or in this case we changed that to a star. So that is how you would go about setting up the Ninja Media Scripts, and there will be a couple other videos that I will add, such as uploading new media, being able to delete media, being able to delete users, And we'll go to that in further details, but I just wanted to kind of give this an introductory into the Ninja Media Script, and I hope you guys enjoy. I've had some fun writing it, and I look forward to your feedback and to speaking with you soon.